Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And in this case, it's Polybag 30406, and this is the Unikitty roller coaster wagon. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I have one of these a day coming up for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of video, there are more on the way. Also, if you're interested in building along with this video, I've included links in the description for where you can find this Polybag on Amazon and on Bricklink. And I've also included the brick set link for this if you just want information about it. And also and also there's a Google what is this? Is this like a little shooter thing? It is a little shooter thing. Yeah, anyway, I've included a link to I've never seen a piece like this before. I don't know how I've never seen one, but I've never seen one. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted. There's a Google Docs spreadsheet in the description as well that has links to past and upcoming build-alongs if you're interested, and appropriate links. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's like a shooter thing. So, two of these, and one of these, and one of these. Okay. So I insert it through here, like so. And I insert this, like so. And then we attach this piece on the end, like so. So we have this, and then we attach it here. Alright. I'm still kind of tripped out by that one piece that I've never seen before. This is a strange looking piece. Does it have a front and a back, or are they both the same? Alright. Y'all can see that piece too, right? That's weird. Alright. Anyway. If that turns out to be a cool piece, I fear I just ended up spending more money on Bricklink, ordering more pieces. Alright, so we attach that there. And then we put this thing on top. That was kind of easy. Alright. Now, one of these, and two of these. What is this for? Guessing we're gonna... I wonder... You think it shoots these? Alright. It looks like Unikitty shoots discs. How does that work? You insert it in here like this, and... How do you load it? So if you put it all the way back, let me slide this. Okay, that clicked in pretty good. So if we hold this down and we shoot, oh wow, that's a Lego shooter that doesn't mess around. Alright, I guess that's a thing. That is interesting. We'll come back to that one. Alright, so let's go back to assembling Unikitty's thing. Her roller coaster wagon. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. I'm surprised I've never seen that piece before. But I mean, I guess, you know, new pieces do pop up. I wonder what other sets it's in. Alright, so we got that. And then we got Wings and Stars. Fair enough. Alright, so let me make sure my orientation is right. This goes here, like so. And we put a star on it, because bling is super important. And we put a star, we put this here. We put a star on the other side, because we're not monsters. And then we flip it over, and we put the wheels on. I wonder why the wheels are purple. Is this a style thing? Probably just a style thing. Gotta figure good old Unikitty probably does like that style. Alright. So, these clip in. I'm not super crazy about these wheels. They're only okay. But, you know, what the heck. Alright, so we got wheels. So it's rolling now. And we put a front thing on it. So put that on it. Like so. So Unikitty's just going to stand in the middle, huh? Because these will go here. This will go here. And this will go here. Like so. And I guess Unikitty just stands in the middle. Alright, so we load it. Huh. Is it weird that seeing this makes me want to build like a thing where you can feed them in? Like maybe there's a cartridge of them above it and it'll feed them in one at a time? That's something to think about. Alright, so this is the coaster put together. And now let's pop back over here and we'll assemble Unikitty. I waited till the end for good old Unikitty because what's this for? I wonder what that is for. Oh, I better know what it's for. Alright, so we don't get instructions for good old Unikitty, which is fine, I guess. So, Unikitty is this, and she has 2 white 1x1s, and then a blue one, and a yellow one. Slide these up. Make sure. And a yellow one. And the yellow's in back. So, got that tail, goes on here, and then this little neck joint, like so, and then for her head, got that, and then like so. And then she needs her ears. 1 ear and 2 ears. Like so. And then we handle the Una part of Unikitty by giving her her horn. Like so. And by the way, this was kind of interesting. The hole in the bottom of the inverted 1x3 tile fits on top of this one, like so. So that's kind of cool. And then apparently she slides in here. It's actually not a bad fit. And so she can ride in her coaster thing. Extra pieces wise, we actually ended up with a bunch this time. Of course, these two are projectiles, so, but let's see. You know, seems to roll okay. Alright, so I know I'm going to regret this, but I'm going to try shooting this thing one more time. Alright, so here we go. It does actually shoot pretty good. Ooh, did I stick it in too far? Does it go in all the way? Am I just doing it back? I guess it would, because it should be flush, because there's two in there. It's too deep. So, well, let's see. Yeah. So, Unikitty can roll around locked and loaded. Although this is probably the best way to do it, you might guess. But you can slide it in all the way if you really want. And then fire. Wow. That does fly pretty good. Alright, that's kind of interesting. And that's a new block that I hadn't seen before. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. How do you feel about... I'm kind of anti the shooting of Legos just because you have to go collect them and pick them up. But this is kind of a cool brick. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or questions or anything, you can let me know down in the comments. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.